And with these new changes coming out, what kind of barriers are people facing in 2025 with asylum?
So we've talked about the circumvention of legal pathways, so making sure that we know what that is. There's also now they're starting to use the third country rules, where basically what they're saying is if you can be safe in a third country, even if it's not your country, if you can be safe in another country in which the United States has this agreement with, where this country is willing to accept individuals who we are saying cannot get asylum here, but perhaps can get asylum in a third country, then that is another option, which is very difficult, right? How is it that you are expecting an individual to go to an entirely third country where they may not have any family, any, kind of any roots, any understanding of the legal system, when they've somehow they've made it here, right? If they've made it to the United States, it's for a reason. It's either because they have family here, they understand the asylum process, they have some tie to the United States versus, for example, Honduras, right? And so that has also made it difficult. And what we have seen is that has really kind of made people more fearful of requesting asylum, this fear that they will just be picked up and put in a completely different country that they might not even know the language, or have any ties to.
And which groups are impacted the most by these added hurdles?
So it can be anybody, right? Like at this point, there is no we're still seeing how this is playing out, how immigration is going to be using these third country kind of agreements, but you don't have to be from any specific country to be sent to one of the countries. And so, for example, you could be from El Salvador and sent to Honduras, or you could be, South Asian and sent to Honduras. It really just depends. They just want, as long as what they're saying is prove that you cannot be safe in this third country, and then you can come and we can talk about asylum here. So it's making it that much more difficult, right? So not only do I have to now prove that I'm not safe in my country, I have to now somehow prove that a country I've never been to, that I might not know anything about, I'm also not safe there, which can become a legal impossibility for a lot of people.